In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile view on your Squarespace website. Customizing your site's mobile experience is essential to ensure that it looks just as good on a phone as it does on a desktop. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To begin, head over to your Squarespace site. If you haven't already logged in, do so with your credentials to access your site's configuration. Once there, you'll want to locate and select the mobile view option. This will allow you to see how your website is currently presented on mobile devices, giving you a clear idea of what adjustments might be necessary. Next, click on Edit Site Header. The header is an important area of your site as it often contains your site's title or logo and navigation elements, which are crucial components for user interaction. By editing the site header, you can make sure that everything looks tidy and functions properly on mobile devices. After that, click on Edit Design. This section allows you to make extensive edits to the design aspects of your website, including fonts, colors, and other stylistic features. By fine-tuning these elements for mobile view, you ensure that your site maintains its visual appeal across different screens. Be mindful of striking a balance between aesthetics and performance to keep the user experience smooth. Then, click on Color. This opens up options to alter the color schemes of various sections of your website. Pay close attention to contrast and readability, as these are key to making your mobile site accessible and easy to navigate. You might want to choose colors that align with your brand identity while ensuring text and backgrounds are visually compatible. Continue by choosing a specific section that you wish to edit. Once selected, click on Edit Section. This feature lets you delve into each area of your page, allowing for individual adjustments like resizing elements, adjusting padding and margins, or changing typography. Proceed by clicking on Design again, but this time it's specifically for the section you have chosen. Again, tailor these settings to ensure that your content is legible and visually appealing on smaller screens. Remember, mobile users engage with content differently, so simplicity and clarity are paramount. Next, click on Background. The background can dramatically impact the look and feel of your mobile site. Ensure that any images or patterns used don't overpower the text. Instead, they should complement and support the primary content. With design and background sorted, click on Colors once more, focusing on specific elements within sections, such as buttons or call to action areas. This ensures continuity and reinforces the site's hierarchy through consistent use of color. Now, select an image to click on. Images should also be optimized for mobile view, ensuring they load quickly and display properly without distortion. Finally, click on Edit to make any last tweaks. Use this to adjust sizing or crop your images to fit precisely within the mobile framework. These steps will help you accommodate the intricacies of mobile design, providing your visitors with an exceptional user experience no matter where or how they access your site. And that's how you edit the mobile view on your Squarespace website.